This is 1972. Liberty, in God we trust. United States of America. $1. The biggest queen in the history of liberty, in God we trust. 1972. So if you are interested to have this $1, so it is your chance to own this $1, the biggest queen in the history of United States of America. $1, 1972. So if you like it, you can buy this. Comment your price on the comment section, and you can buy this $1, 1972 liberty, in God we trust. In God we trust. 1972 queen, $1. How nice and how big, rare queen, liberty, 1972 queen, very nice liberty, 1972 liberty, $1, 1972. Very nice, big, rare. And the price on this is very expensive. Very expensive dollar. The price is 9,000. The price is 9,988. That is the current price of this 1972 $1. 9,988 $. If you want to buy this, comment your price in the comment section. Call or text +63-997-692-2374. Antonio Bacor, Porokpor, Macalaya, Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Please subscribe, follow, comment, heart, like, share, and download.